Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by signing into Microsoft 365 with your assigned account. This grants access and sync rights. Once signed in, enable multi-factor authentication if your organization requires it, and make sure your recovery email or phone is current. Then open the Microsoft 365 portal and confirm your subscription or license. This avoids feature surprises. After that, pin Word, Excel, and Outlook to your taskbar for fast access. It speeds workflow and keeps your frequently used apps within one click. Next, install the Office desktop apps or use the web apps when you need quick edits. Pick desktop for full features. Once installed, set up OneDrive by choosing a sync folder and confirming your storage quota. Use selective sync to avoid filling local disk space. Configure Outlook by adding your mail profile and enabling calendar sync so appointments appear across devices. Finally, open Teams and adjust notification settings. This ensures messages alert you without overwhelming focus or battery life. Finish by updating all Office apps through the account settings or admin portal. Timely patches fix bugs and security flaws. Then enable autosave in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and verify OneDrive backup is active. This prevents data loss during crashes. Once done, test opening and editing a document across devices to confirm sync. If something goes wrong, clear the Office cache, sign out and reconnect the account, or run Microsoft's Support and Recovery Assistant to diagnose connection or licensing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.